So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a curved shadow to an image here on a Pages document. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, insert a photo just like this, for example, or whatever photo the case may be. It's completely up to you. Once that is done, press on the photo right here to open up this menu on the right hand side of your screen. Go to shadow right here, press on no shadow, go all the way to the bottom and press on curved shadow. So as you can tell, the shadow is a little small right now, but it is curved as you can tell. Now, if you want to change this to more of an inward shadow or an outward shadow, I can slide this bar to make it more outward just like that, or make it inward just like that. So whatever the case may be, if you want to do an outward shadow just like that, we'll keep it as is. If you want to increase the offset, you can do that. If you want to decrease the offset, you can do that as well. Sort of play around with it, whatever you have to do. And also to opacity, if you want to make it just like this, more of a darker shadow, slide this bar to the right. If you want to make it a little bit less, slide this bar to the left. And if you want to change the angle, as always, you can slide the angle just like this to do whatever you have to do. And then as always as well, press on the color wheel to change the color of the shadow right here. So as you can tell, there's a nice blue shadow, there's a nice red shadow, there's a nice purple shadow, whatever the case may be, play around with it. It is completely up to you. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to apply or how to add a curved shadow to an image here on a Pages document. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.